Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome once again to English video. This time we are going to discuss the question answer of quality that is remaining and grammar and everything. We will try to complete this lesson. So friends, are you ready for this? Let's discuss question answers first. First question is, why did author prefer going to Mr. Gessler for his shoes? What do you think, children? Have you got the answer? Why did author prefer going to Mr. Gessler for his shoes? So, author preferred to Mr. Gessler for going for his shoes is that because he made a quality shoes. He made a quality shoes and long lasting. Long lasting. Okay, that is the answer of first question. Second, why did author not have to visit Mr. Gessler's shop frequently? Of course, Mr. Author never felt of visiting Mr. Gessler's shop frequently because the shoes made by Mr. Gessler's were long lasting and durable. Long lasting and durable. Third question, what were the big firms that Mr. Gessler talked about? What was his complaint against these firms? Uh, he talked about the big firms is uh, that he when he talked about his hardship, he talked about the big firms. He said, I'm just 1 minute, I'm just seeing the answer. Mhm. When the author went with him for telling that his shoes had creaked, so at that time he I think he said that about the big firms. Hmm. He talked about the big firms that all they get is through advertisement. They take away ID from us, means our ID they take away from us, and they have no work. Every year their identity get less. Talking about new firms is that, and that he never advertised for his boots. He told that he never advertised for his boots, and the big firms get all the business through advertisement. Okay. What was the cause for Mr. Gessler's death? Hard work and starvation was the cause for Mr. Gessler's death. Hard work and starvation. How did Mr. Gessler react on seeing the author wear shoes made by a company? Why? Mr. Gessler's tone was not of anger nor of sorrow, but there was something quite that froze the blood. If Mr. Gessler was such a good artisan who made excellent shoes, why he didn't succeed in the business? Hmm, good question. Because he never, there are many points to be discussed regarding this, because he never made any advertisement first, and he was not business minded, and he gave much more good quality than required. Give a brief character sketch of Mr. Gessler. Wow, this is very good question. His character sketch was Mr. Gessler was an honest and hard-working man. He never expected that the customer should repeatedly come to him because the quality he gave was long lasting. And he was not a greedy man. He was not a greedy man. He believed in his hard work and he never had any more profit like other firms. Okay. Next, we will proceed. Choose the correct answer from the option given. The shop had a quiet distinction means the shop was silent, it was unique in its own way. The shop was distinguished because of its silence, none of the above. The answer is second one. It was unique in its own way. Second, by the statement, it was not possible to go to him very often. The author means to say the shop was very far away. The owner was a very rude man. The shoes were far too good. The shoes were far too bad. The shoes were far too good is the answer. Third one. The tone was not one of anger nor of sorrow. Who is being spoken about here? Mr. Gessler. Dash, poor old man, starved himself. Why did the person spoken about starve himself? He was robbed by the companies. He was poorly paid by the companies. He could not stand the competition from the companies. He was on a diet. He was on a diet is not the right. He was not stand the competition from the companies. Why did the person spoke about starve himself? Now, in writing skill, please pay attention to an advertisement. Write an advertisement to announce a sale in your shop which sells exquisite leather boots. An advertisement is a written piece of material for circulation. See now, this is advertisement regarding shoes because in this lesson we are talking about shoes, so they have given in shoes. Feet Toes Shoes Company. Notice sale. Feet Toes announces a grand clearance sale from 10th March to 15th March. 50% of discount on all leather shoes. Hurry and grab the offer only at Carlo Bagh outlet. Offer till stock last. ऑफर क्या है? एक्स्ट्रा 50% डिस्काउंट ऑन लेडीज शू एक ऑफर है, दूसरा बाय वन गेट वन फ्री. ओ गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी. सो इस तरह की लर्निंग एडवर्टाइजमेंट बनाना सीखना पड़ेगा आपको. फॉर्मेट, नेम ऑफ द कंपनी, what is it you wish to offer for sale, what is the attraction, address, any gift in creative, whom, by when to contact. तो आपको अभी इसी तरीके से एक एडवर्टाइजमेंट ड्राफ्ट करना है. कैन यू ड्राफ्ट एन एडवर्टाइजमेंट टू सेल सम old textbooks? So you have to write about your collection, about which textbooks, literature, and then what offers you are giving. That all you should write. You can copy something from the back advertisement and try to write it, because if I do, nothing will remain for you to do. So you have to do for yourself. Now, what is the impact of foreign goods and big malls on small scale shops and shop owners? Imagine you are a small shop owner. Write about your impression on this. This is also a writing skill. Impact of foreign goods on big and small scale shops and shop owners means foreign goods create an impact that if one once get a foreign goods, nobody will be ready to buy from big malls, small scale shops and shop owners. So the impact is that slowly their trade will decrease, and the same thing will have impact on our country also, because our national income will also decrease. So in this way, foreign goods impact is too great, and people, when the brand comes foreign, means people get mad. Oh, foreign ke goods hai, wow. Then they will not also think of quality, nothing, price. A foreign ka good hai, let me buy this. We don't want Indian goods, like that. So this is the one of the biggest impact on big malls and small scale shops. Nowadays people are little aware, so only during independence movement we created Swadeshi goods movement. Swadeshi म्हणजे स्वतः के देश का लेना, one's own, to buy goods from one's own country. So other impacts, if you have any impacts other than this, you can write, children, and you can complete your writing skill. Now coming to test your grammar skill. Friends, we have discussed can, could. Again one time I would like to discuss with you can and could. If you have to refer grammar book, it is on page 67, friends. Can, could, may, might. So we often use can to mean to be able to or to know how to. She can operate the computer. My uncle can speak 5 languages. Can you swim? Like that. And whereas could is used for ability in the past. Could is used for ability in the past. The bearing in mind that picture, we have to now discuss with fill in the blanks with can or could. इसलिए मैंने आपको can और could से एक बार और परिचित करा दिया. can अपन कब यूज करते हैं? able to, know, how to. और could अपन कब यूज करते हैं? could अपन कब यूज करते हैं? past ability. The zebra dash be recognized by its black and white stripes. The zebra can be recognized. Could कभी नहीं यूज करना, क्योंकि zebra अभी भी black and white stripe से ही recognize होता है. Can you give the direction to the nearest market? Now, dash you play the piano. Could you play the piano? Dash you sing the national anthem at the function. Can you sing the national anthem at the function? What could be the reason for his absence? Absence is already done. So, what could be the reason for his absence? Like that. Now, fill in the blanks with appropriate words. It was a long flight. Tom could be exhausted and tired. It was a इसलिए Tom could be. In order to know the city better, you can walk around it and experience it. If you are going trekking for the first time, you can to take something, you ought to take someone along. Ought भी use कर सकते हैं इसमें. You dash have to change your flight at Bombay. You must have to. Yeah, you could have to change your flight at Bombay. I dash speak Urdu fluently. I can speak Urdu fluently, but writing could be a little difficult. Writing could be a little difficult. Wash plus able, washable. Educate plus education. Beauty plus full, beautiful. Now able वाले words जैसे washable, eatable. तो able वाले suffix आपको complete करना है, दो करना है. ड्यूरेबल और एक क्या यूज करेंगे? वॉशेबल, ईटेबल, ड्यूरेबल, कम्युनिकेबल. एल वाले एरियल, एल लास्ट में आना चाहिए. तो ऐसे मैंने एक बता दिया आपको. एरियल, कम्युनल, कम्युनल, एडमिरल, ऐसे फोर्थ वाला आपको खुद को ढूंढना है. ITY, कनेक्टिविटी. तो बाकी के आपको नेस वाले तो आप कर लोगे, मुझे पता है नेस वाले आप कर लोगे. तो आई डोंट थिंक एनी डिफिकल्टी इज देयर इन दिस. तो कैन और कुड का आप कर सकोगे. और दिस बियॉन्ड द टेक्स्ट तो हम कभी करते ही नहीं हैं. ये लिसनिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन है. लाउज एंड मस्कीटो, पैसेज, डॉटर्स ट्रस्ट, कश्मीर एप्पल, ऐसे करके कुछ पैसेजेस दिए गए हैं. तो इसको प्लीज़ आप पढ़िएगा, प्लीज़ पढ़िएगा. And then now we have completed the text. I'll be needing 2 or 3 more periods for you to complete your portion. I'll be sending portion on group, so you must be prepared for it. Okay then, have a nice day, have a good day.